Feedback is where user comments become product work. In this video, I'll bring a report in, group it into a theme, and turn it into a work order. Feedback comes in through an API from any source, whether it be your app, a support tool, a form, and it lands in the inbox. You set the API up once in the Connect tab simply by copying the prompt, bringing it over to your coding agent, and having it implement the feedback button in your app that routes that feedback directly back to Software Factory. The feedback agent groups related items into themes, so repeated reports land in one bucket. A theme has a priority, an owner, a feature area, and the quotes behind it. From a theme, I can set a priority and create a work order that has all the details in order to track it to resolution. And that's feedback. A user comment becomes tracked work tied back to the product. If you've got questions, the docs are at 8090.ai/docs, and you can reach us on Discord or at factory-support@8090.ai. Thanks for watching.